Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video, ay sasagutan po natin ang math random problem na ito. The product of two whole numbers is 36 and the ratio is 1:4. Which of these is the smaller number? Is it 3, 4, 8, or 9? Feel free to pause the video and try to solve this in your scratch paper. Tingnan natin kung pareho ba tayo ng sagot. Sabi dito, the product of two whole numbers is 36. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, let's denote that these two numbers are x and 4x. Bakit x and 4x? Kasi dito po, yung ratio nila is 1:4. So, that means yung isang number, let's say that is x, and itong another number natin is 4x. Kasi nga ang ratio 1:4. So that means the product of two numbers is 36. So we have x times 4x which is equal to 36. Bakit po natin minultiply si x and 4x? Kasi ang sabi po sa ating problem, the product of two whole numbers is 36. So pag sinabi nating product, that means we just simply multiply the two whole numbers and that is equal to 36. And now, meron na po tayong algebraic expression at isosolve na po natin ito algebraically. X times 4x and that is 4x squared which is equal to 36. Now, to solve for the value of x squared, we just simply divide 4 to both sides. Divided by 4, divided by 4, so, x squared na lang. 4 divided by 4, that is 1x squared or simply x squared. 36 divided by 4, and that is equal to 9. So, we have x squared, which is equal to 9. Ngayon, paano naman po natin makuha ang value ni x? X squared pa kasi ito eh. So, ang gagawin lang po natin is to get the square root of both sides. So, square root of x squared and square root of 9. So, square root of x squared, that is simply x. Square root of 9, that is simply 3. So, the value of x is simply 3. So, ito na po yung smallest number. So, we can double check this by substituting the value of x dito sa ating ratio. Diba ang ratio nga natin is x:4x? Kasi sabi, 1:4. So, x:4x. So, if our x is simply 3, so that means 4 times 3, and that is equal to 12. So, ang original ratio pala natin is 3:12. And if we simplify this 3:12, ito po ay magiging 1:4. So, the smallest number is 3. Ito po yung hinahanap natin. And the answer is letter A. And for your practice, you can answer this problem in your scratch paper. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.